Today we'll be making creamed eggs over toast. To make our creamed eggs over toast, we're going to use 4 hard-boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, a cup of milk, and then of course our toast, or in this case an English muffin. We'll start by chopping up the eggs and then starting to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and then to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and make a roux. Okay, we're going to start off with our roux, and how we make this, you can see the butter starting to bubble. Again, this is a non-stick pan, so I'm going to use a coated whisk, and we just empty in the flour and stir that up until it's smooth. You want to make sure you get all the flour in there. And it's okay if it browns a little bit. I have it over medium heat, and I'm not going to cut out of the video, so this is how much time it's actually taking me to get it to the consistency that I want. It's important that you keep stirring it, otherwise it will burn, and you don't want burnt butter. All you're trying to do is just make sure you get all of the flour incorporated with the butter. If you wanted to season that a little bit, you can with some salt and pepper. Now you can see it start to brown just very slightly. And what I'm going to do is just add in the milk slowly. The flour will make the milk turn into a gravy-like consistency. It'll thicken the milk. And we're just going to continue stirring that. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit just so I don't curdle the milk. And you just want to keep stirring that so you don't get any clumps. And that's about the consistency that we want, is so that it looks like gravy. And then we're going to switch from a whisk over to a spoon and stir in our eggs and just fold them over. And all we want is, those hard-boiled eggs were cold, all we want to do is warm them up. So here's our creamed eggs over toast. We have our toasted English muffins, and then the creamed eggs on top. And then if you would like to season it, you can season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and even some paprika. And there's creamed eggs over toast.